with Prince Manufacturing. We produce a hydraulic line of products. Generally, you could categorize it in cylinders and valves. Since we've integrated this IntelliFinishing system, we've tripled our production capabilities. The old systems were very messy, and in order to keep them up and running, it's very difficult. And at one point, this facility was handed off to 2 other plants that were also painting, just to get everything done. And that was a full-time job. Now, we've shut down those other 2 plants. As far as the paint processes goes, we've transferred it all to this facility. We can now load offline, and we fire up at maybe 7 in the morning, and due to line density, the speed of the line, the speed of all the processes, by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we're done. It's very easy to maintain. Our conveyor IntelliFinishing far exceeded any hope I had of it being a good system.